Hi guys, welcome to the Francis YouTube channel. You ever tired of rice? Are you ever tired of flour? Are you ever tired of these hard food and you wish that you could just have something moist with fish, with chicken? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican ton cornmeal. You can ton your cornmeal and you can eat it with chicken like I am doing today, or you could eat it with fish, anything you like, and get rid of them hard food there and make some nice nourishing food go along in your body. So watch how me make this and you can try it. Make it for your family, make it for your kids. It's very tasty, very delicious. Try it, man. Just watch how me do it and do it exactly how you see me do it.
To the Francis YouTube channel.
So guys, for our ton cornmeal, here I have some Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes man, and I have some thyme. And me gonna use some spring onion. In Jamaica they call it scallion. And I have yellow pepper, sweet pepper, and red pepper. Also, one onion I'm gonna use. And here guys, this is my ton cornmeal. Go and go get your cornmeal, any cornmeal. And I'm going to use also some coconut milk. Yes. And I'm gonna also have some butter as well.
Girl, you better can't cook. Think you you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause your hand them no look. You better cook. Think you you pay your pretty looks. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause your hand them no look. Sunday morning you lay down in a bed. For you boil 2 bananas, steam 2 fish head. You mad? But you want sausage and egg. Big man no wanna bully beef and bread. First thing, make me get the fingernail clip. Snick snick, tall fingernail take a chip. Then do say you can't peel banana with it. What's dumpling?
Now I'm pouring in my chopped onion seasoning. As you can see, I'm using my favorite old pot. I love that pot there, no hush. And I'm stirring it at the moment. I want it to, you know, simmer down. Guys, as you can see, it's now simmered down. Now I'm about to pour my coconut milk. It smells so good. Give it a little stir. And now I'm gonna add my butter. Guys, I'm going to add some salt. And make sure you give it a stir now. Stir it up. Look how beautiful that is. Now the moment that we have been waiting for, the cornmeal. Yes, so I'm pouring the cornmeal inside of our mix And as you can see, I'm not pouring all at once. I pour it little by little. You just keep on stirring it and then you start to add again. Now guys, I'm gonna add some water to it. I think I'm using about a half a teacup of water. Or you can add, the more cornmeal you put inside of it, you could add more water to it. If it's too dry for you, you just add more water in it, because I did add more water to this. And as you can see, guys, look how beautiful it is. And now I'm gonna add some sweet corn to it. Carmela, look how it's on Carmela, guys. Yes, love it. So this is how it's gonna turn out, guys. This is what it should look like. Guys, it's the best. Look at that. Look at. Woo. Look. Look. Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Come just say I can try. Delicious, guys, delicious. So, woo. Try it. Woo. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.